Hey there. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel here at VA Gutter Guys. We are centrally located in Virginia. And one of the things you might see as you're looking up at your downspout is that it looks not too bad from your point of view. But the issue is, though, sometimes that you may not realize that the view from up above, looking down at your gutter, might show something like this. You might not even have gutter guards like this client did. And so what you'll see in this picture is that the gutter guards, although they have been installed, it looks like they were installed improperly or that they were faulty and therefore they're not doing their job. Those leaves should not be inside that gutter. And so what we look to do is come out, not only clean out the gutters so you can have proper flow, but to also make sure if you do have gutter guards that they're installed properly and they are actually doing the job that they were intended for. So look, cleaning gutters is a vital home maintenance task that will help you save money in the long run. The potential of water damage to your home's foundation can be very expensive. And the best and cheapest way to prevent water from your roof, which can cause damage to your foundation, is to have your gutters cleaned out to ensure there is proper flow. Not only do you need to have proper flow within your cleared out gutters, but you also need to make sure that the water is coming into your gutters and is properly directed away from your home's foundation. If you're in need of gutter cleaning, maybe you need new gutters, maybe you want gutter guards installed, please give us a call today at 804 999 4770. Or shoot us an email at vagutterguys@gmail.com or check out our website at vagutterguys.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we look forward to cleaning your gutters.